Alright, so right now I'm trying to build my Skool community. As some of you guys might know, depending on what time and what date that you guys are watching this, I may or may not be changing my mind. I'm always changing my mind. But that's a topic that I want to talk about. Like as online business owners, right, we tend to change our minds a lot. Why is because we tend to watch a lot of videos online about those finance gurus, right? And they're always talking about do this instead of doing that. Do that instead of this. Follow my online business model, follow my advice. It's better, it makes more sense compared to the other not fitness, compared to the other finance gurus. They're always preaching their own kind of online business model or the online business advices. All of them is different. So that really messes up with my decision process, right? That really kind of like it is always changing my mind. That's the thing. And then as us online business owners, who wants to start trying to make money online, we tend to get really confused in that sense. And because there's so many advices going on in the world right now, especially on the make money online space. So it's quite hard for us to actually just stick to one route, right? Or maybe it's just me that I will change my mind a lot. I get psychoed a lot, right? Whenever I watch, videos about specific online business models and then they give certain type of advices, I tend to follow that. And then on the other hand, when I find another video, I get confused, I get convinced by the other YouTuber, and I kind of like want to change my online business route, just like that. So I know that it's not really a good thing because I'm not exactly putting in the reps for prolonged periods of time. And in order for anything to work, you need to always put in lots of reps first, right? You need to go through lots of repetition first. You need to do you need to pay your dues first before you can reap the benefits. Same thing for working out, right? If you guys go to the gym for like 1 month or 2 months, don't expect big results, right? You have to constantly show up in the gym, work out, go through your diet, nutrition, rest, all this good stuff. Then you can get the results. Same thing goes for any form of business as well. Not just online, offline as well, whatever it is, right? Studying as well, whatever it is, relationship as well, right? You have to invest the time that you may or may not be able to see the desired results. So this is something that is going through in my head. You might call it shiny object syndrome as well, because you are constantly seeing the new thing, the new shiny thing, especially when the thing that you're working on right now is not exactly showing the results that you want to see. And then you watch another video, you're kind of like, oh, this makes more sense. Maybe I should follow that instead. And then just jump ship. And then before you even see the fruits of your labor, you kind of like quit. You quit too early. You quit prematurely. That's not good. That's not good. But you also have to be smart about it. Like you also need to know when to quit, right? Maybe you put in a lot of work, you put in a lot of reps, but you're not seeing the results. Maybe a few months or maybe a few years even. Then maybe it's wise to do, and it's smarter to change your business model, right? Which is what I did all along. I used to do dropshipping. I used to do e-commerce. I used to do faces, YouTube channels. I used to do print on demand. I used to do, what else did I do? Affiliate marketing. I did a lot of stuff, man. I did a lot of online business models. So that's the thing, right? That's the thing. So we really have to try to make up your mind. That's one thing. But you also have to be smart about it. When to pivot. That's the thing. So that's something that I'm still trying to get about. It's something that I'm still struggling with as someone who is trying to build his Skool community. Right? So right now, as of this date, right, the Skool community that I have is called the One Person Business Academy. And just basically all things one person. Like if you want to run a business online as a one person and basically talk about what you want, monetize your passion, monetize your interests, all those good stuff, right? That's what I teach because there is something that I really stand by with. And it's something that, after so many years of watching all this content, I realized that this is something that I really can resonate with and something that really makes sense for me. Yeah. So if you guys are interested, click the first link, right? Click the first link. If you enjoy that kind of online business model, which is something where you can do for ideally for life, right? Ideally for your entire online career, then that is something that you might want to check it out, right? Yeah. So yeah, this is a quick video, a quick and short video about what is going through in my mind right now. This is kind of like documenting what I'm thinking also as I'm building my online business, my YouTube channel, my community, my Skool community as well. Maybe I might name this as, I don't know, man, building my Skool community series. If you guys are interested in it, let me know. If it's something that would be helpful for you guys, especially what I'm trying to do in order to build my Skool community. All right. So that's about it. Click the first link, like I said, click the first link in the description box. I'll see you guys inside.